Hello students, today we will study about factors and multiples. In this we will study about various methods to find HCF, various methods to find LCM and the relation between LCM and HCF. So first let us understand highest common factor. Highest common factor of two natural number is the largest common factor or divisor of the given number, and it is the greatest number from the common factors of the given number. It is also called as the greatest common divisor. Now, prime factorization method to find HCF. In this method, we write the prime factorization of each of the given number. Then HCF is the product of all the different common prime factors of the given numbers using each common prime factors of the least number of time it appears in the prime factorization of all of the given numbers. For example, we have to find the HCF of 48 and 84. So first step is we write the prime factorization of 48. So that will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then we will find the prime factorization of 84. That will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Now what will be the HCF here? It is the product of all the different common prime factors of the given number using each common prime factor of the least number of time it appears in the prime factorization. So it is 2. Start pairing. This is 2, and then we have got the pairing of 3. So it will be 2 into 2 into 3, that will give us 12. Now long division method to find the HCF. The steps involved are: first find the HCF of any two numbers, then find the HCF of the third number and the HCF obtained above. Now third step, HCF obtained in step 2 step is the required HCF of the given three numbers. Let us solve a question here. Find the HCF of 36 and 150. So what we have done, we have taken here the bigger number as the dividend, smaller number as the divisor. Now start dividing this. 36 multiplied by 4 will give us 144 and it will give us remainder as 6. Now this remainder will act as the next divisor and the first divisor will act as the next dividend. So 6 is 36. Now this time we have got no remainder. So our last divisor will be the HCF here. Okay. So HCF of 36 and 150 is 6. Now short division method to find the HCF. The steps involved are: divide the numbers by the smallest common prime factor. Repeat the steps till no common prime factor is there. The HCF of the number is the product of the common prime factor. Now find the HCF of 12, 36 and 48 by this method. So first 12, 36 and 48, it has a smallest common prime factor, that is 2. So when we will divide 12, 36 and 48 by 2, we get 6, 18 and 24 as the quotient. Now again this can be easily divided by 2. So we will get 3, 9 and 12. Now 3, 9 and 12 again have a common prime factor, that is 3. So we will get 1, 3 and 4 as the quotient. But here 1, 3 and 4 have no common prime factor. So the HCF will be the product of the common prime factors, that is 2 into 2 into 3, that will give us 12 as the HCF. Now least common multiple. LCM of two natural number is the smallest natural number which is a multiple of both the numbers. It is the smallest number from the common multiples of the given numbers. It is also called as the lowest common multiple. Now prime factorization method to find the LCM. Now steps involved are: in this method we write the prime factorization of each of the given numbers. Then LCM is the product of all the different prime factors of the given number using each common prime factor the greatest number of time it appears in the prime factorization of any of the given numbers. Now let us understand through example. Find the LCM of 28 and 42. Now prime factorization of 28 is 2 into 2 into 7. Then prime factorization of 42 we have done. Now see how we will find out the LCM here. Here 2 occurs maximum 2 times. So it will be 2 into 2. Then 3 occurs 1 time. So it will be multiplied by 3. Then 7 occurs 1 time. Okay, so what will be the LCM? 2 into 2, because 2 is coming 2 times. 3 is written 1 time because 3 is here 1 time, and 7 1 time each in both the pairs. So it will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, that is 84. Now division method to find the LCM. Steps involved: divide the given number by a number which divides exactly at least 2 of the given numbers. Carry forward the numbers which are not divisible. Keep on repeating till this process till no two numbers have a common factor. The product of the divisors and the remaining number is the LCM of the given numbers. Now let us find the LCM of 20 and 24. Here we can see that 20 and 24 is exactly divisible by 2. So we get 10 and 12. Now 10 and 12 can again be divided by 2. So we will get 5 and 6 as the quotient. Now here these 5 and 6 have got no common factors. So the LCM will be 2 into 2, that is product of the prime factors and the remaining numbers. So 2 into 2 into 5 into 6 will give us 120 as the LCM. Now relation between HCF and LCM of two natural numbers. See, the basic formula is the product of HCF and LCM of two natural number is equals to product of their numbers. LCM of two natural number is equals to their product upon their HCF, and HCF of two natural number is equals to their product upon their LCM, and product of HCF and LCM of two natural numbers upon one number is equals to other number. See, these are 4 formulas which will be helpful in solving the word problems. Okay, so this was all about HCF, LCM and the relation between HCF and LCM. Thank you.